All right. Here we go, guys. So I decided I'm going to try to get these oil galley plugs out of here. As you can see, I've been struggling with a hex wrench and it's not really working. These things are in there. I don't like the fact that this came back from the machine shop this way, and I don't want to lug this thing over there to have them take these out. They actually did some stuff I didn't ask them to do, which I don't appreciate. But one thing they didn't do is take these out, and I know they hot tanked this, but that's all they do over there. Like, they didn't really scrub it, so it needs to be final cleaned. It's not final cleaned. They also put these plugs in, which again, I didn't ask them to do that, and I just want to pull them out. I want to put threaded plugs in here. I want to clean this thing out. I want to make sure that it's clean. Why not? Just want to build this once and then not have to think about it after that. So today I'm going to go for the weld a bolt on, and then try to pull them that way. So a lot of people have said that's the way to go. So I found these in my, box of stuff I'll never use again, probably. These came off of something, I don't even remember. I think a different engine. So these are loose going in there, like they're kind of loose, so I don't know if that's ideal. But I'm just gonna try to hold this like that and see if it'll weld up. If not, I'll get something that's a little tighter, but I feel like these are pretty good. And then they have hex bolts on, hex nut heads or bolt heads. So I'm gonna try that first. If I have to go with a different style, I will, but I'm gonna clean these up right quick, brush them off, and get the metal to metal. Hopefully that's grounding okay. I probably shouldn't put that right up against, that's okay. That's just the distributor, right? The distributor hole. I'll ground it somewhere on here. I guess I could just do this maybe. You think? We'll see. I don't know. Ground it somewhere on the block, and then we're ready to fire up, and we'll see what happens. But first I'm gonna brush this stuff off. All right, well, that didn't work. So number one lesson is these are too loose to fit in there. I couldn't weld them. So I found a thicker bolt, put it in, welded it, and it just broke. So don't use cheap crap, I guess. I didn't realize this was so crappy. It just broke immediately. So I found what I believe to be some higher quality bolts. So I'll have to might have to grind that down a little, or I can just like loosely tap it in. I'm gonna try again, but this one I might have to drill out at this point. We'll see. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, you guys. I think maybe the welding is weakening the bolt material. I have no idea. I'm gonna go do some research and come back. Maybe I'm just using the wrong bolt types. But that's pretty bad. And I'm sure that I'm not getting weld on the threads. I mean, on the block. I'm being really careful to not weld it to the block. But yeah, that's what's happening right now. All right, guys. Hopefully third time is the charm. Let's see. We got a breaker bar this time. We're bringing out the big guns. All right, let's see. Are we gonna get any movement? Just going nice and gentle. Oh, no, it looks like, yep, man. These things are, I think it's the welding is kind of weak. So I'm gonna probably switch to the drill method. Ooh, what a mess. Well, I think I gave it the old college try, but obviously I just don't, either I don't have the tools or I don't have the skills or both or whatever, but it's not working. So let's get to drilling. Quick update on the drilling. Not too bad. So I drilled in with whatever one size, and now I'm going in with a 3/8. So pretty good. Just make sure you keep some oil in there. So I'm gonna keep working. I'll check back in a minute. Okay, let's get in here. All right, well, a lot messier than I was expecting. Now I gotta get these out somehow. I tried bashing that one a little, but then I stopped. So, might be able to collapse these and pull them out. I'm not sure. I don't think it's that easy. Well, we'll get them out. We'll figure something out. But that's how far I've made it so far. So while I've got the block out here and I'm grinding on stuff, I thought I would go ahead and grind this little top portion off. Because another builder said that because it sticks out a little bit, that it can hit the back of your timing gear. He said it's a good idea to clear that. So I've got the whole block blocked off with plastic. I'm going to tape this area, and then I'm going to grind this little eyebrow right here. Be right back. Alrighty, there we go. Just took a little off the top there. I don't know, probably not necessary, but it's a precaution. And then this is where we're leaving this for now. I think I got to get some of those, whatever they're called, you know, the reverse thread dealies, and then I can just take those out. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's hope. Keep fingers crossed. I'm going to end this video here. It's too hot. I got to go inside and have a beer. See you later.